Yes. So in this case, okay, so till PJ, okay, so now we got an idea. So we have seen this particular case, okay, till PJ we are ready. Okay, so now the final part of this particular, okay, so this particular O2C cycle will be, okay, the billing part. Okay, so the billing part also will consist of the copy control and all the different things. Okay, okay, how it is coming actually, okay, all these things we can see here. Okay, so there is an automation here. We need to activate that automation also, okay, or else this billing will not be converted. Okay, let's see that. So let's get into the system again. Okay, okay, so now we can able to go to the sale order now. Okay, so 284. Okay, and you can check the document flow. Now you can have all the document flow over here. Okay, right, and you have everything over here. Okay, so now everything is ready. So now we want to go with this document delivery and we need to process that. Okay, so we can have to go for this document delivery. This is our delivery document. So because this is order related billing, right? Yes, because we are just going for the normal sales, we are going for order related, okay, billing. So we need a delivery order. So then only we are going for the delivery related billing here. Okay, so now the delivery is ready. So what we need to do is, okay, the final step where we need to get into this particular case, we have a T code here, okay, for the billing called as, okay, so starts with VF01, okay, VF02 and VF03. So we have three T codes over here. Okay, and same like delivery, so the billing also has a billing document type and all these things here. Okay, now this time, okay, so before processing that, we can go to the configuration and we can see that whether this is there or not. If it is not there, we need to maintain that. Okay, let's do that. Okay, yes, so how to find that? Okay, so first thing is how to find that which billing type. So we are not sure, right? So which billing type we have just assigned. So how to find that for this particular order or particular delivery, which billing type we need to convert. Okay, so for that, what we need to do, we need to go for the sales document configuration. Okay, go for SPRO. Okay, reference. Okay, and there you can able to go for the sales and distribution here. Okay, go for the sales and sales document, right? The same way. Go for the sales header. So why we are coming for the sales header? Because here where we have updated that which particular document type should be the billing document type. Okay, then we can go for the creation of that, all these things. Okay, just go to this sales document type. Okay, and find your document type here. So what is our document type here? So which is TOR, right? Yes, TOR is our document type here. So just give an enter. Yes, you can see this is our document type here. Okay, just double click on that. So already we have seen all this case. Okay, again we can just scroll down. There we can able to see the billing type. So the delivery related billing type, we are given the invoice type as F2. Okay, so F2 is a standard invoice type which is available there. How we have LF like that. Okay, so F2 is a standard billing type. If you want to customize, you can just copy and copy the F2 and you can just change it to anything you want. Okay, that's not a problem here. Okay, so but okay, so you have to maintain this. Okay, if you are not maintaining also, system will allow here. Okay, if you remove this F2 also, system will allow you to save. But thing is, if you're not updating the billing type over here, the person, okay, the particular billing cannot be automated. For an example, if I go to VF01, you can able to understand. Okay, if I go to VF01, so we will be giving the delivery document here. Okay, so we will be giving the delivery document here. And we have to select the billing document type here. So which billing document type we need to select, the user has to select. Okay, when this particular delivery billing type is not updated here. If it is updated as F2 here or any billing type here, what will happen? So you don't need to choose anything here. Just give the delivery number here, because against the delivery only we are creating a billing. So you can give the delivery number here and just give an enter, automatically it will come. So this will makes the users to work very easily, or else they have to remember, okay, always which is the billing type. So maybe sometime for the different order type we have to put different billing type. Okay, so that time what will happen, every time they have to remember or something, they have to return somewhere. So this is too complicated. Okay, so if you assign this particular thing over here, the work is so easy. Okay, so you should be very clear on this. Okay, so you have to update the billing type over here, so then only the automation will happen. Okay, I'll show you that. For an example, you can go back. I'm not saving this. Okay, I'm going for a delivery. This is a delivery number, right? So I'll take this delivery number and go to VF01 and give the delivery number here. I'm not selecting anything here. Okay, I'm just giving enter. You can see automatically it is selecting the F2. You can see. So it is too easy for the user, because we need to give the system which is very convenient for the user. Okay, now you can see automatically it is selecting here. Okay, if you are not given this in the order type, so they have to choose it manually. So that is again, it's a manual work. Okay, so wherever there is a possibility for reducing, okay, the particular manual work, so please reduce that. Okay, right. Now we can go to this document type. Okay, billing document type, and we can see, then we can come back here. Okay, go back. So now we are clear about that. Okay, so the document type which for the billing we are assigned is F2. So maybe you can able to customize also, because I'm just showing everything as a standard. Why? Because the standard you need to know. So you need to have an idea about the standard. Okay, so then only you can able to get about this. Okay, right. So on this particular purpose, what we are going to have is, okay, so we are going to have this particular case over here. Okay, so what we are going to have in this particular case is, okay, so we are going to have the billing document type here. Okay, so what we need to do is, okay, just go back and do the billing. Okay, you have a separate folder called billing here. Okay, a separate billing type is available here. Just go for this billing type here, and you can see the billing document is available here. Okay, so just go for the billing document type. There you can see define billing type, okay, for the sales. Okay, it is available here, and all other things are the same. Okay, so defining the number range for the billing type, and you have a copy control, everything is available here. For an example, if you go for the billing type for the sales and just execute, and there you can able to see define billing types over here. Okay, just double click on that. You can see almost like the same thing. Okay, almost like the same thing what we did for the sales document. Same option is here. Okay, now you can find this particular thing in the position. So it is F2, right? F2. Okay, just give an enter. Yes, here you have this one. Okay, just double click on that, and you can see this is the configuration of billing document. Okay, in this particular case, for an example, the same thing. Okay, so the type and the description, and you can see the internal number range here. Okay, so here only the internal number range is possible. External number range is, even the system is not suggesting to go with external number range. And you can see the document category. See again, wherever you go, the category will come as it is. Okay, so here you can see again the same option will be available. You can see the same option. Okay, now this time it's a billing, so we have to go for the invoice. Okay, this time we need to go for an invoice. That is the only change. Okay, all other things are same. Okay, so for each and every document, what is their category, respective category, we want to put that. So based on that, it will work. Okay, right. Yes. Okay, then other things. Okay, so for an example, you can have a document type. Okay, this document type is a standard here. RV document type. RV means it's an invoice. Sorry. When we go to the finance, okay, so this document, whenever you post an invoice document, it will be stored as a RV document. So finance can able to find that, okay, because they doesn't know what is a category and all these things. So they can able to find it very easily. That's why this particular document type is financial document type. I'll show you in the ledger. Okay, also you have a posting block option. Okay, so we mostly will not use, but if in any case you want to use, you can activate this. What it will do is, now we are going to try to create a billing, right? Now we are going to create a billing. So when the billing is done, so what is the process? Next process is automatically it should go to the finance, right? That is our target, right? So automatically it will be going to the finance. So it should go and reach the accounts receivable ledger. Then only actually the process is done. So the billing is done, so that information is gone to the finance. But if you give this posting block, what will happen? It will not go to the finance. It will not go to the finance. It will stop here itself. Okay, so any person from finance or any person from the sales has to check and they have to give a release manually, then only it will go here. Okay, then only it will go here. Okay, yes. Okay, or else it will not go. Okay, or else it will not go here. Okay, yes. So let's check that also. Okay, nothing wrong in that. So I'll just given the posting block. Okay, just give a save. Okay, it was saved. Okay, so let me check, okay, whether it is there or not. Okay, just go back. Okay, and regarding the copy control, we can check the copy control also here. Okay, just for a glance we can check. Okay, or else, okay, so I think there is no problem because it has taken inside. Just now we have checked. Anyway, we can check it again. Okay, so maintain copy control for the billing document here. Okay, just go for it, and there you can see, okay, sales to billing document type. Okay, billing document to billing document, and delivery document to billing. So we are going for the third option. Right now we are in the third option. So go for this delivery document to billing document type. Again, the same concept. Go to the position. Okay, give the source at the bottom and the target at the top. Okay, so give this particular delivery type, which is, okay, LF, and this one is F2. Okay, LF and F2. Okay, just give okay. So now you can see, okay, it was there. Okay, it's a standard. Okay, it will be there. Okay, but if you are creating any customized or something, okay, always make a copy. So what will happen from the standard, it will be copied automatically. So you don't need to give it again and again. So that will save your time. Okay, yes. So instead of going with a new entry, so you can go with this particular option. So it will save your time. Right? Yes. Okay, now all these things are ready. Okay, we have seen this. Okay, this all the prerequisites and all the configurations are ready now. So now we can go to VF01 and we can just check that. Okay, go to VF01 and enter. Okay, so the document number, this is the document number we have. You can put multiple document number also if you want to combine multiple deliveries into one billing document. Okay, if you want to make it, you can able to make it also. So multiple documents, multiple deliveries into one document also we can able to make it. Okay, so now we have only one, so I'm putting up here, but if you have more, you can put it all over here also, nothing wrong in that. Okay, everything can be done. Okay, so now after giving all these things, so what we need to do is, okay, so we don't want to give this one. Now we are just making it automated, right? Now give an enter, so automatically it will take you inside. You can see, and you can able to see that very clearly. So there is nothing is editable here. Okay, nothing is editable here. You can see there is no editing option. There is nothing over here. Okay, you have no editing option. There is nothing option over here. So everything is based on this particular condition. Why? Because in the billing we should not able to edit anything. We should not edit. Okay, we should not edit or we cannot do anything on here. So everything is based on, okay, so that particular delivery. Okay, because now the deliveries happen. Okay, so that particular the product has been picked from the and we just loaded in the vehicle and it is ready now. Okay, now in this case, what will happen? So if you change something in the billing, so the entire process will change. Okay, so what we will be doing is there is no option. Okay, in default itself you cannot able to change it anything on this. You can see everything is freezed here. That is a standard condition. We should not change anything on this. Okay, right. What we need to do is just give a save, so the document will be saved here. See, you will get a message that is document is saved, but you can see no journal entry is generated. What it means? Because we have just given the posting block, right? Do you remember? Yes, we have given the posting block over there. So it is saving in the document. Okay, the document is saving here. That is fine. But the no journal entry is generated. No journal entry in the sense it is not gone for the finance. How to check that? So we have a document flow, right? So we can check it over there. Okay, go back and go to VF02 and check this document. Here you can see the document flow here, right? Click on that. Now you can see the entire flow of document over here. So entire flow of document. Now you can see outbound delivery is completed, right? Yes, perfect. So based on our particular rule, so it is automatically completing this, because so the delivery is converted to invoice. So you can see it is completed. Now you can see the case invoice. Okay, invoice is generated, but you can see it is showing the status as blocked because we have just given the posting block, right? So we have given the posting block here. Okay, we have blocked this posting. So how to release this? Okay, if you release this only, it will enter into the finance. Okay, if it is entering into the finance only, they can follow for the payment from the customer. Okay, if this is not happening, the finance will not know that if this kind of billing happened or not. Okay, they don't mind about this. Okay, they will not follow and the payment will not come. Okay, so how to release this one is, okay, so you have a direct option here. Just go back. There you can see a flag. You can see release to accounting. Okay, there is no need of having this block here, but I just want to show you sometime. So if a customer is asking about any control, okay, I need a control, it should not go to the accounts directly. So someone has to check and they want to release, you can give this option to them. Okay, now if I release this one, you can see now only actually the document will be saved. Okay, you can see that. Click on this. Okay, so I think some account determination error. Okay, again, okay, so financial errors is there. Okay, let me check that. Okay, so we need to solve this thing. Okay, so error in account determination. Okay, so what is the problem with this error in account determination? Okay, so we can try to solve this. Okay, because okay, so financially there is some gap is there in this server. Okay, don't worry about that. So we don't have any error from our side. Okay, that is the main thing you want to observe. Okay, we are not getting any error from our side. Okay, so we have to, okay, so our particular flow is very clear, okay, and very smooth here. So only from the finance side there is a problem. That is okay, because SAP is a teamwork, so everyone will be working on the same thing. Okay, so that there won't be any problem in the live project. Okay, yes. So for an example, now I just clear this. Okay, so because we have to do that. Okay, yes. Okay, so where is the tax? Okay, so this is the one. Okay. Okay, so here what is the error here? So the error is, okay, MWS. Okay, MWS, where that MWS is there. Okay, so these all things the finance has to do. Okay, but it's okay, no issues at all. MWS. Okay, here it is. Okay, yeah, double click on that. Okay, so chart of accounts. Sorry. So let me try that again. Okay, I think I'm getting some error here. Okay, so I think there is a lot of problems with this particular thing here. It is showing some errors. Okay, I'm not getting this. Okay, we can try again in a different T code. Okay, in the last time we have tried, right? We can just try to have it on the same thing. Okay, so I think the same thing here. Okay, it is not allowing up. So that is the only way, but okay, so let me try with another way. Or else I'll just take a snapshot of this. Okay, I'll take a snapshot. Okay, so let me go back here. Maybe this document is open, maybe that is also maybe an issue. Okay. Okay, I'll go for OB40 now. Okay, let me try now. So MW, yes. No, it's showing some other error. Okay, let me try again now. Okay. Okay, so the customer is VC underscore TU T030K. Okay, let me copy this. Let me try. Okay, so I need to close this. Still, okay, I think this also should be closed. Okay, let me do now. So let me find with MWS. Okay, so there is a debit and credit. Okay, it is right actually. So what is wrong in that? Okay, so let me select this particular MWS here where the problem comes, right? So MWS and go for a rule. Okay, so this is actually the chart of accounts. We need to find the chart of accounts as YCOA. Okay, so it was activated. Well, let me go back. Let me find that, okay, whether that is activated for all the case. Okay, so I think it is not activated. It is activated only for this. I think this is the issue. Maybe. Okay, I'm not a finance guy. Okay, maybe. So let me check this one and save. Okay, so maybe I can try again. Okay, go for OB40 and okay, so MWS. Okay, yeah, now it is perfect. So now it is taking up. Okay, so I think that is the problem here maybe. Okay, so then we need to check the tax code. Okay, what we have a tax code over there. So let's find the tax code over here. Select the line and go for this dollar symbol. It will take you to the condition. Okay, so what is the tax code we have used? Okay, I think okay, I think now it will be perfect. I think so. Okay, maybe we can check one more time. So we can try to go for the change and try to release. Okay, again it is showing the same thing here. Okay, so MWS, we need to maintain that. Okay, so we can go to that particular configuration. So I think what is the error we got? Okay, it is VO. I think V0. Okay, let me have the V0 here. No, I'm not sure about that. Okay, so we need help from the finance team. Okay, then only we can solve it because we cannot able to go beyond that. Okay, we can see that. Okay, we can see what is happening over here. So I think there is a minor tax code issue something. Okay, so it is related to that. That is why it is not allowing to release to the next level. Okay, so we just tried. Okay, anyway, we can see that. We can clear this and let me see that one. Okay, so after that we can see on the next session, right? Yes. Okay, we'll see that.